power at the center console screen. Follow video to remove the airbag assembly. Disconnect the airbag connector. Remove the airbag assembly. Disconnect the signal connector. Unscrew the main screw. Remove the steering wheel assembly. Pry off the rear black V-shaped trim. Unscrew the 4 rear fixing screws. Unscrew the 3 bottom fixing screws. Remove the front V-shaped trim. Unscrew the 4 fixing screws of the inner bracket. Unscrew the grounding fixing screw. Disconnect the heating wire connectors on both sides. Unscrew the fixing screws of the rear trim. Pry loose the rear trim clips. Remove the trim. Unscrew the fixing screws of the left and right plastic brackets. Remove the brackets. Unscrew the 2 fixing screws of the silver trim. Remove the silver trim. Remove the entire button assembly under the steering wheel. Disconnect the scroll button connectors. Prepare the yoke steering wheel frame assembly. Reinstall the rear V-shaped trim. Tighten the fixing screws. Reconnect the heating wire connectors on both sides. Reinstall the left and right brackets. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Organize and place the heating wires on both sides. Install the rear trim. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Tighten the 2 inner trim fixing screws. Tighten the grounding screw. Tighten the bracket screws. Correctly install the brackets. After installation, ensure the spring wire is centered in the observation hole. Insert the metal pin. Install the silver V-shaped trim. Tighten the fixing screws. Install the rear black V-shaped cover. Install the steering wheel assembly. Tighten the main screw. Reconnect the signal connector. Test if the button functions are normal. Reconnect the airbag connector. Install the airbag assembly. Installation complete. Be very careful when unscrewing the main screw, as strip screws can be very problematic. Do not move this transparent piece when dismantling the steering wheel. Use metal tools carefully to avoid damaging the leather. Place the heating wires properly to avoid installation issues. Centering the spring in this area is for easy steering will removal next time.